The case of the missing left shoe. When my younger brother Teddy knocked on the door of my bedroom closet, I was sitting on a folding chair with my eyes closed, wondering if there was room in that tiny space for a partner. The sign on the door says, Nina's Investigations by Appointment. Lots of people have lost things lately. Dad came in 2 days ago when his car keys went missing. It turned out he'd set them in the fridge with the groceries. Mom came in yesterday when she couldn't find her hairbrush. Teddy had been using it to groom our dog. Teddy was here today because he had lost his left shoe. Usually when he loses things, he stomps around until he forgets about what he lost. But I guess it's hard to forget about your missing shoe when you're walking lopsided like Teddy was today. He was wearing only one sneaker on his right foot. First, describe the shoe, I said as I opened my notebook. As Teddy talked, I jotted it all down. The missing shoe was red with Velcro tabs. It squeaked when he walked across the kitchen floor. He had the shoe yesterday. He did not have the shoe today. How do you solve a mystery? Teddy asked me. I want to help. I shook my head. This is a job for a detective. You leave it to me, I'll find your missing shoe, I told him. Teddy looked sad. I knew he missed his shoe. He didn't need to worry. I would solve the case. What time did the shoe disappear? I asked. Teddy shrugged. Disappeared in the past 24 hours, I wrote. When I'm on a case, I write down everything. A clue could appear where you don't expect it. At the breakfast table, I wrote, Saturday. Teddy sitting across the table, staring at the floor. Why? I looked down. Muddy footprints on kitchen floor. Right footprints have a tread. Left footprints are smooth. I carried my dirty plate to the sink, where my mother was pouring herself a mug of coffee. Time for my next interview. I've been going through closets, gathering things that you and Teddy don't wear much anymore. I'll drop them off at your school's used clothing sale, said Mom. She pointed to a few large bags leaning against the wall. Can you help? I'm sorry, can't. I'm on a job. I tapped the cover of my notebook. Do you have time for some questions? I asked my mom about Teddy's red shoes. Do you remember where you bought them? Those old things, let me see. I think I got them at Artie's, my mom said, during their big spring sale. Okay, then when did you last see the shoe? Yesterday evening. The two of you were playing baseball in the backyard, remember? Teddy had on his red shoes. I knew where I was headed next. You've been most helpful, I told my mom. Question 1. What do you think happened to Teddy's left shoe?